Capilano Bridge is actually built in two phases. The original truss over the river was built in the 1930s, and then they twinned it with a concrete structure in the 1950s. The 1930s bridge was obsolete in terms of the lane widths, in terms of sidewalk width and that sort of thing, so the ministry wanted to replace it. The cost-effective solution for this was really to use the existing bridge as the detour.
And yet we had this old bridge sitting there that was still serviceable. It wanted to be replaced, but it was still safe. It just wasn't going to be good for many years into the future. And it's sitting right there. If we moved it sideways to be the detour, then it could save a lot of money.
A combination of a slide of the existing bridge to use it as a temporary detour and construction of the new bridge. The real complicated bit was maintaining the traffic in such a constricted zone and using the existing bridge as the detour. There was enough room to the north of the bridge that we determined that we could actually slide the existing truss out of the way of where we wanted to put the new bridge.
Basically, when the time came to close the road was closed, you started sliding. When it got there, you opened the road back up.
So we were engaged to design all of the sliding, the construction sequence, the temporary works, temporary pier, temporary abutments, sliding provisions to move this old bridge sideways. And to complete the sliding was within a very limited time frame. So we were going to be given a 36-hour closure. We were trying to do it in definitely less than 24 hours. We ended up doing it in 16 hours.
What we did to make things easier was to actually give a fairly detailed explanation about how we anticipated that it would get built, how we anticipated that the bridge slide would take place, and they effectively followed that. And then in terms of the new bridge, we basically allowed them to choose how they wanted to erect it. But we made it such that the girder had enough capacity to be launched if we wanted it to be launched. It had enough capacity to sit on the top of the pier if they wanted to stick build it.